Kefalonia, a Greek gem. Kefalonia, the largest of the Ionian Islands, is a stunning Greek island known for its dramatic landscapes, crystal clear waters, and rich history. Must-see attractions. Myrtos Beach. This iconic beach, with its white pebbles and turquoise waters, is one of the most beautiful beaches in Greece. Melisani Cave, a subterranean lake, accessible by boat, with crystal clear waters and stunning stalactite formations. Drogorati Cave, a vast cave with impressive stalactite and stalagmite formations, illuminated by colorful lights. Fiskardo, a picturesque fishing village with colorful houses and a charming harbor. Assos, a picturesque village built on a small peninsula, offering stunning views of the sea. Mount Anos, the highest mountain in the Ionian Islands, offering hiking trails and panoramic views. Beach hopping. Explore the numerous beautiful beaches, including Antisamos, Scala, and Lourdes. Water sports. Enjoy water sports like swimming, snorkeling, diving, and kayaking. Hiking. Hike through the lush countryside and up Mount Anos. Wine tasting. Sample local wines, especially the famous Robola white wine. Cultural experiences. Visit historical sites, traditional villages, and local festivals. Kefalonia offers a perfect blend of relaxation, adventure, and cultural experiences. Whether you're seeking a tranquil beach vacation or an active adventure, Kefalonia has something for everyone. Kefalonia doesn't have a single, large town like a capital city. Instead, it's made up of several charming towns and villages, each with its own unique character. Here are some of the main towns on Kefalonia. Argostoli. This is the largest town on the island and the administrative capital. It's a bustling port town with a lively waterfront, shops, restaurants, and cafes. Lixouri. The second largest town on Kefalonia, Lixouri is located on the western side of the island. It's a traditional Greek town with a relaxed atmosphere and beautiful beaches. Fiskardo. A picturesque fishing village with colorful houses and a charming harbor. It's a popular destination for tourists, especially during the summer months. Assos. A beautiful village built on a small peninsula, offering stunning views of the sea. It's a popular spot for romantic getaways and photography enthusiasts. Scala. A popular tourist resort with a long sandy beach, numerous hotels, and a lively nightlife. These are just a few of the many charming towns and villages on Kefalonia. Each offers its own unique atmosphere and attractions, making it a great destination for exploring the island's beauty and culture. Kefalonia boasts some of the most stunning beaches in Greece. Here are a few of the best. Myrtos Beach. Often hailed as one of the most beautiful beaches in Greece, Myrtos features crystal clear turquoise waters, white pebbles, and dramatic cliffs. Antisamos Beach. This picturesque beach, with its white sand and turquoise waters, was featured in the film Captain Corelli's Mandolin. Scala Beach. Located in the town of Scala, this long, sandy beach offers plenty of sunbathing and swimming opportunities. Petani Beach. This secluded beach, with its fine white sand and turquoise waters, is a hidden gem. She Beach. Known for its unique red sand, She Beach is a popular spot for sunbathing and swimming. These are just a few of the many beautiful beaches that Kefalonia has to offer. With its diverse coastline, you're sure to find the perfect beach to relax and soak up the sun. The 1953 Ionian earthquake, also known as the Great Kefalonia earthquake, was a devastating event that struck the Ionian Islands on August 12, 1953. It was one of the most powerful earthquakes to hit Greece in modern history. The earthquake measured 7.2 on the Richter scale and caused widespread destruction throughout the islands of Kefalonia and Zakynthos. The quake raised the whole island of Kefalonia by 60 centimeters, 24 inches, and triggered landslides, tsunamis, and fires. The earthquake resulted in the deaths of hundreds of people and the destruction of thousands of buildings. The impact on the islands was severe, and it took years for the affected areas to recover. The 1953 earthquake remains a significant event in Greek history, serving as a reminder of the power of nature and the importance of preparedness. Kefalonia offers excellent diving opportunities with crystal clear waters, diverse marine life, and interesting underwater topography. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced diver, you'll find plenty to explore. Temple Cave. This unique site features a large underwater cave with 2 entrances. The Catacombs. A series of underwater caves and tunnels, perfect for experienced divers. Blue Canyon. A deep underwater canyon with stunning rock formations and marine life. Shipwrecks. Explore the remains of sunken ships, including the Italian World War II submarine Ardina. Clear waters. Enjoy excellent visibility, often exceeding 40 meters. Diverse marine life. Encounter a variety of fish species, including colorful reef fish, octopus, and moray eels. Unique underwater landscapes. Explore underwater caves, tunnels, and drop-offs. Aquatic Scuba Diving Club. A well-established dive center offering a range of courses and dive trips. Blue Manta Diving and Aquanautic Club. A popular dive center with experienced instructors and a wide range of dive sites. Fiskardo Divers. A friendly dive center located in the picturesque village of Fiskardo. Kefalonia offers excellent snorkeling opportunities, with crystal clear waters, diverse marine life, and stunning underwater landscapes. Here are some of the best spots for snorkeling on the island. Myrtos Beach. While famous for its beauty, the underwater world of Myrtos is equally impressive. The rocky coastline creates underwater caves and crevices, perfect for exploring. Antisamos Beach. This long sandy beach offers calm, clear waters ideal for snorkeling, especially near the rocky outcrops. Foki Beach. This secluded beach is a hidden gem for snorkeling enthusiasts. The calm waters and rocky coastline provide excellent opportunities to spot colorful fish and other marine life. Embark Beach. This small, secluded beach is another great spot for snorkeling. The clear waters and diverse marine life make it a popular choice. Alati Beach. This beach offers a mix of rocky shores and sandy coves, with plenty of opportunities for snorkeling. Kefalonia offers a variety of dining options, from traditional tavernas serving delicious local cuisine to upscale restaurants with stunning sea views. Here are some of the best restaurants in Kefalonia. Fine dining. Batsalo Restaurant. Located in Fiskardo, this restaurant offers a sophisticated dining experience with stunning sea views and a creative menu. Olive Lounge Bar and Restaurant. Also located in Fiskardo, this restaurant offers a mix of Greek and Mediterranean flavors, with a focus on fresh seafood. Attica and Delphi. This restaurant in Argostoli is known for its innovative cuisine and elegant atmosphere. Traditional taverns. Castro Cafe. This charming tavern in Fiskardo serves traditional Greek dishes with a modern twist. Old Times. Located in Scala, this tavern offers delicious seafood dishes and a warm, welcoming atmosphere. La Docala Stin Plagia. This family-run restaurant in Lordata is known for its fresh, locally sourced ingredients and friendly service. Casual dining. Seabreeze Restaurant. Located in Scala, this restaurant offers a variety of dishes, including pizza, pasta, and seafood. Taverna Canali. This traditional taverna in Sami serves delicious local dishes, such as souvlaki and moussaka. No matter your budget or taste preferences, you're sure to find a restaurant in Kefalonia that suits your needs. Be sure to try the local specialties, such as fresh seafood, grilled meats, and delicious pastries. Kefalonia, a stunning Greek island, offers a unique blend of natural beauty, rich history, and a relaxed lifestyle. For those considering a move or a longer stay, it's a place that can offer a high quality of life. The appeal of Kefalonia. Natural beauty. Kefalonia boasts stunning beaches, lush green landscapes, and dramatic cliffs. Pleasant climate. Enjoy warm summers and mild winters, perfect for outdoor activities. Friendly locals. Experience the warm hospitality of the locals and immerse yourself in Greek culture. Slow pace of life. Escape the hustle and bustle of city life and embrace a more relaxed lifestyle. Affordable living. The cost of living in Kefalonia is generally lower than many other European countries. Practical considerations. Language. While many people, especially in tourist areas, speak English, learning some Greek can be beneficial. Healthcare. The healthcare system in Greece is generally good, but it's advisable to have private health insurance. Accommodation. You can choose from a variety of housing options, including villas, apartments, and houses. Work opportunities. While there may be limited job opportunities, especially for foreigners, working remotely or starting a small business can be viable options. Transportation. Public transportation can be limited, so having a car or access to rental cars is recommended. Enjoying the Kefalonian lifestyle. Explore the island. Discover hidden coves, charming villages, and historic sites. Embrace outdoor activities. Go hiking, swimming, snorkeling, or diving. Savor local cuisine. Indulge in fresh seafood, local wines, and traditional Greek dishes. Connect with the locals. Engage with the friendly locals and learn about their customs and traditions. If you're looking for a peaceful and beautiful place to live, Kefalonia could be the perfect choice. With its stunning natural beauty, friendly people, and relaxed lifestyle, it offers a unique and rewarding experience.